Like, it's a good, you know, number two, just got me some nut bags from Amazon, and I am about to make me some chocolate milk again. So this is what the bag looks like. It's a pretty big bag. Oat milk, almond milk. I crushed up some oats, put it with some water, and then poured it all together, just like I did last time. So here we go. A nut milk bag. Don't squeeze all that out. Okay, I'm about to do a lot of squeezing.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give.
Okay, this is how much I was able to squeeze out. I'm about to put this back in here. This is how much was left. Probably can make peanut butter out of this, but it's pretty easy to clean. I just flipped it inside out, and this is what it looks like. So, them days when you ever craving some chocolate milk. So I will say it does lose a little bit of its sweetness, which I've noticed anytime you get like some of the nut chunks and stuff out, it does typically tend to lose a little bit of its flavor. So next time I'm gonna try to put in, this time I put 4 dates like I did last time, but I'm gonna try and put 6 and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, then I'll probably put like a little bit of milk in the nut bag at a time and squeeze it. If that don't work, then I'm just gonna put some like sweetener in it like after. So like probably a little bit of date syrup or something, or agave, probably agave, but one of those in after. But yeah, I'm really trying to make me some creamer, y'all. Like that's the only reason I don't drink coffee is because I don't have a good creamer. But I don't know how to make it like, although this is kind of thick like creamer, huh? You want to try it? Okay, she don't want to try it. All right, this is my first meal of the day. So it's my little chocolate milk. This is a cucumber. Shoot, y'all, now I can slice it up nice. But this is a cucumber with half of a bell pepper. So, got this from Target. It's the Supremely Spicy Hummus by Sabra. And what is the serving size is 70 calories for 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. All right. Me because I actually did my fasting. I did not eat after 5 p.m. So I'm very proud of myself for that, because after I saw somebody eating that chips and salsa, I definitely did want a little bit of it, but I just drank my water. I started drinking that chocolate milk at like 10:50. So I'm just saying my fasting broke at 10:50. Okay, so while I'm eating, I'm gonna just tell y'all like the pros and cons that I felt last week of me doing like the 20,000 steps. So the I will say, pros, if you are dealing with constipation or anything, like if you're just dealing with like, yeah, I would say constipation. Like when I say every single morning, like I woke up, like that's the first thing you're doing is going to the bathroom. And I mean, like it's a good, you know, number two, just, I know y'all probably like TMI, but honestly, it is like a really good, like, morning poop. Like you just get it out and it's done and it is what it is. So I wasn't dealing with like, because I've had like stomach issues and stuff in the past. I feel like everybody has pretty much almost had like IBS. So I was diagnosed with IBS, but like doing the 20K steps, you using the bathroom every morning you wake up, you going straight to that bathroom. Like that is the first thing that you are going to be doing, or the first thing I was doing was waking up, using the bathroom. Another pro, I would say, I have not been just working out consistently. Like I know I've had like certain videos, if y'all watch my like weekly vlogs, where I was going to like Body Machine Fitness, but then we moved, and then once we moved, then that kind of like slowed all the way down. I was going to the gym a little bit, but not like as much as I should have been. Walking 20K definitely makes you feel like you've actually like got your workout in. 20K for me is about like 6, 7 to the 8-ish like miles, which is a lot of miles pretty much to be walking. That's why when y'all see my videos, like I'm literally walking like all kind of like an all day thing. Now if you were to stay on the treadmill and walk, it probably would take you about 3 to 4 hours to get like the 20,000 if you're going at like a 3.5 or 4 miles per hour. But the cons of this, if you go from like not working out at all to just like 20,000 steps, which is kind of what I did, like my foot started hurting really bad. So I'm taking like my rest days on Sundays. So that's why on one of my videos, it's like I'll skip like one day. But thank God, because my foot was hurting, so I definitely had to like rest. I don't want anybody to like injure themselves or anything, so I do like the 20K. I think you should be able to like work your way up to the 20K. But I've also had experience doing the 10K when I first got my so I knew 10K was possible, so that's why I'm like, okay, well, let me try to do 20. 10K now, I used to have trouble with it. Now I knock it out like super easy. 10K is not hard. 20K, you definitely got to push yourself. But yeah, that's kind of the only cons I'll say with the 20K. It's just like making sure you don't actually like hurt yourself or burn yourself out. I do like the fact that you are up. Like you're up, you're moving. There's no like, because I would have certain days where it's like, especially when I was working from home, like I'm just sitting all day and you don't even realize like, damn, the whole day's went past and you haven't even moved like 2,000 steps. Like it's going on 5, 6 p.m. and you've just been sitting literally all day. Like it's crazy. If you want to start with 10K, work your way up to 20. I say probably do like a month of 10, then go to 20. Once you hit that, I'm just alternating like my weeks. All right, we out here getting these steps in, y'all. I'm at like 6,000 steps. I should be hitting 10,000 by the time we make it to the other place because we got a 30-minute walk.